Yo, what's good? Got another recap for today. It's kind of late. I'm just gonna keep this quick. I got stuck in a meeting, so okay. So today I took two trades. I went break even on the day because I didn't manage my position properly. So yeah. Okay. So 4 hour on Euro USD was bearish. Prior to the 4 hour candle closing after at 7. 1 hour was bullish, however. So yeah, Asian highs were up here, Asian lows were down here. London highs, London lows. Um, London lows, London highs. This was New York actually, my bad. Asian highs and Asian lows. So, coming into market open, price came into the London high. Uh, yeah, price opened below London high, came into it, almost broke structure. I got edged by the market. Good thing I didn't enter off of this though, because probably would have kept my stop loss tighter and then gotten stopped out and then missed the move. But yeah, didn't um, didn't didn't enter off of that. Price came in, took out the absolute high, peeped its head into the New York high, and then inversed a gap here, and then also broke structure. Didn't really consider the inverse really a confluence, but I entered primarily just off the break of structure, and then yeah, take profit one was here. I think this was 1 to 1 right there. Yeah, exactly one, and then TP2 here. I think I put it here in this fair value gap, and then TP3 here and TP4 here. However, I'm just really bad at managing my positions, cause as soon as I see profit, I try like taking it, right. Like I'm able to hold it off until at least 1 to 1, but I feel like I need to be more patient with that and wait for price to actually move properly in my direction, and just freaking not watch the charts, because that's what's causing me to like make this freakish ass management issues, right. So wait, I don't even know what I said, but um yeah, so let me just pull up the charts just to see what I did exactly. Okay, so I took take profit one right here, take profit two over here, and then I saw like this fair value gap get respected here on the 1 hour, and then I exited when I saw this gap get inverse. I took another half of it off, then let it run until, oh my god, until like here, then took another half off, and then took the last part of it off right here. So yeah, I did not manage this position properly. I could have had like last take profit like right here. So ideally what I would have done is half here, half here, half here, and half here. This could have been like the last runner, but instead I did half here, half here, half here, half here, and half here, and then didn't. The rest here, and didn't even take advantage of the full thing. So yeah, I only made $31, risking $25 on this trade. So I made barely one, like just barely made like a 1 to 1 because of that. But this is like a 5.69 RR that I could have won. So yeah, that just goes to show my emotions are not actually in check. Yeah. Okay. So JVP JPY 4 hour was bullish. Yeah, 4 hours bullish. 1 hour was also bullish. Uh, Actually, wait, no. 1 hour was bearish. But yeah, I was still looking for sells. Uh, Asian highs, Asian lows, London highs, London lows. Didn't see a proper entry off of that because price came into here. I was looking for a breaker structure, but yeah, price just tanked down and then lower and lower. So yeah, I didn't see a trade off of that. And then GU, similar to EU, it's just this one kind of like messed me up. 4 hour was bearish prior to the New York session, and then 1 hour was bullish prior to the New York session. 30-minute, instead of New York highs being taken, because New York highs were down here, New York highs has already been taken out, so I was just looking at the London highs, and then London lows, and Asian highs down here. Price opened below the London highs. I was really looking at this as a better setup at EU because it had a better risk reward, but kind of messed me up in the end. So let's see what happened. Okay, so price comes into London high, takes out the absolute high, got edged with this breaker structure as well, kind of. So yeah, inverse this fair value gap, break structure to the downside, and enter off of this candle. However, I put my stop loss at 610, I remember. So I thought that this gap was sufficient enough for spread, and yeah, I got stopped out when price came into here, and then take profit got hit. So yeah, so I'm not really mad about this because I followed my plan, and it was just something I could easily learn from. So from now on, I'll just put more space between the high and the my stop loss. But I didn't. I feel good about this because I didn't like get any emotions about revenge trading or just entering based off of FOMO. I just accepted the loss and moved on to EU and just focus on EU instead of trying to get back into the market and force a trade. So yeah, and even this one didn't even go all the way down. So not really mad about that. One thing that did cause me like some issues was on both EU and EU. 4 hour broke structure with the 7 a.m. candle closing, so I wasn't really sure where to form my bias from that, but I think I'll just follow to the prior bias I had, um, and only switch like the validity of the high and low if there's a 30-minute closure, and the 30-minute high and low were respected fully um, with these candles, so I wasn't gonna just drop the entire bias. Same with the EU. The highs got respected and then get closed above. So yeah, what can I have done better? Freaking manage my position better, and then also don't stare at the freaking charts all the time, because that's what's causing me to mess up a lot. But yeah, that is all. Goodbye.